Well, how's it going today there, YouTube? Well, geez, it's been friggin' forever since I put a YouTube video up, but I'm gonna get things started off right with I actually picked up a farm toy to work on there yesterday. I made a trip down to Jolly's yesterday just to drop in and say hey and whatnot and discuss a few different things, and I wanted to meet with a fellow collector so I could pick this up. It's a Oliver Super 99 built by NB&K, which is kind of a unusual manufacturer of tractors. I don't think there's too many around, but I bought it in pieces. The axle wasn't in one piece when I got it yesterday, but I need to repair that. I was taking it out of the box last night, and I guess I had a little bit of butter on my fingers or something there, and I kind of half dropped, half caught the axle, and then it split in two. But it's only sand cast, so I'll figure something out to put that back together, and we'll get it put in the shelf, and then everything will go okay. Or if somebody has another axle, that'd be much appreciated too. But these things happen, It was kind of brittle, eh? It was dropped by the previous owner, and yeah, that's what I got. So I'll get it put back together. I'll figure something out. But I've kind of been dealing with bigger things outside here. So we'll go outside. It's actually a beautiful day outside. It's 20 degrees, sun shining. Quite a nice change to being rainy and cold and windy and snowing. Don't need any more snow. But have a sip of my coffee here, and we'll go outside. Oh, look at that sun. Isn't that nice? Isn't that nice? Anyway, I'm kind of filling with the Denali here a little bit. More into these boxes later. Quite a while ago I did this. I finally stuck on that black and chrome tailgate badge to match my front logo. Yeah, I know I drove a truck in the rain yesterday to work and back, then out to Jolly's after that, so we do need a wash, but what else is doing? Just kind of doing a little interior cleanup, because spend 50 grand in a truck, you keep her clean. So kind of been adding to my collection of trailer goodies, because I finally heard about that, and that should be ready to go Wednesday. I'll probably pick it up Saturday morning, so that'll be another YouTube video for you guys as well. But the trailer, well, it was supposed to be ready on Friday, and I was going to pick it up yesterday morning, but needed a couple more days, so that's A-okay with me. Jeez, I had a jackknife with me. I was going to do a little unboxing video of these chains here, and I was going to show you guys something. Anyway, let me grab a jackknife here. I'll be right back. Alright. Well, I picked up some grade 70 chain. It's actually at Prince's Auto. Hopefully you guys can see the shot here, alright. We got a case trapper knife, which, I don't really have it far to unbox. You guys kind of missed the 99 there last night, so we'll unbox these chains. I want to have a little look here, so I do got 2 binders, but I need to pick up 2 more chains and 2 more binders, because to those of you that don't know, farm equipment's classified as heavy equipment. Even though the old 1828 doesn't weigh 10,000 pounds, it's still farm equipment, so it's still classified under heavy equipment, so they want you to do a 4-corner tie down. Just kind of wanted to see what I got here. I picked this up a couple weeks ago. Kind of expensive, but I went with 3/8 chain. You can probably get away with doing the 5/16, but I went 3/8. I just wanted to check and see if I can find one here. It's supposed to be a stamp. You see here, all the grade 70 chain. I need chain for that fact, if I can get it on the shot there, alright. See how it says AC70? AC70. So whenever you guys are buying chain to strap stuff down with, make sure it's stamped, because it's obviously chain doesn't have a tag on it. It'll be stamped right in the chain link, because obviously the tags will just get ripped off. So if you have the straps, I got 5,000 pound straps, or maybe they're 10,000. I think they're 5,000. I've got straps too. A strap will have it. Strap will have the tags on. I'll show you guys that if you guys don't know. I'm sure most of you do. All these little things, see? That one's stamped too. Sometimes I heard through the grapevine that sometimes the Princess Auto chain doesn't have stamping on it. But these are Kendine chains, so they're a pretty big manufacturer of chains and whatnot. So I figured we'd be in alright shape, but I checked out at the store before I bought them. They're kind of expensive chain. They're 69 bucks per chain. I need 2 more. So anyway, like I said, I got kind of a small collection of stuff here I've been adding to since I've been waiting for the trailer to show up. Got a couple of these binders. Very heavy duty. 3/8 chain binders. Like I said, I could probably have gotten away with the 5/16 chain, but I mean, the 3/8 isn't that much more money, and it's just that much better. So I mean, there's no reason to have stuff moving around on you, so you don't want nothing to move on the trailer. So I'd rather have a little bit heavier than I need, because you know, the old tractor's only 4,200 pounds, but when you're coasting down the 401s, it's going to be staying still. I trust the parking brake on the tractor too, but you know, MTO gets you with just that on there, you're getting a ticket. So pick these guys up, and the chain, that's a start anyway. These binders are like 50 bucks a pop too, so you know, they really got you there. So oh well, buying the trailer is one thing, but you gotta have something to keep your stuff strapped down from rolling around. So anyway, I was gonna check something out here, and I'll be right back. Yeah, so like I was saying earlier there, all your tags for your straps, make sure you keep those in good shape, because if you lose a strap, or sorry, if you lose a tag, or you can't read that tag, the officer wants to be a prick, you're gonna get a ticket. So I do got these axle straps here, 10,000 pound axle straps. I got a 5,000 pound strap. I got a couple of these. I might get a couple more. These are usually always on sale at Princess Auto too, because I may have a couple of cars for scrap metal to pick up, and I was just kind of thinking about how I was going to strap it down. I might be able to make a axle strap or something work out of a ratchet strap as well, so that's why I grabbed these also. But these are also good for going around the front axle of the tractor too, so been kind of lucky. Every time I go trailer goodie shopping, everything seems to be on sale. So don't have everything yet, but I am sure glad I spent the extra money and got the toolbox on the trailer. There's gonna be a lot of stuff to have, but you know, hey, gotta have it. But you know, the 05, it's still sitting here. You know, I haven't done nothing with that. Nothing at all. I have no time to do nothing with it. So been taking a lot of scrap metal in lately too. So scrap's always good. It's a little bit of pocket change for the, you know, buy towing accessories with, I guess. So anyway, I'm gonna put the video out there. Thought I'd check in with you guys, and next weekend I might have a trailer video for you. So anyway, if you like what you see, please comment, rate, subscribe.